Good evening. You're watching The Big Story here with me, Aarti Subramaniam. And a short while from now, perhaps a few minutes from now, India's Olympians are going to step out of the airport and receive the kind of welcome perhaps that they never imagined. We're going to bring you all the latest visuals and the celebratory mood that is there at the Delhi airport. And the Indian Olympic contingent is back to a hero's welcome. A festive and celebratory atmosphere awaits them on their exit from the airport. And my colleague Ayushman is in fact there in the midst of all that action, in the midst of all those celebrations. There's a lot of music, there's a lot of celebration, there are a lot of people waiting at the airport, and from the airport all the athletes are also going to go for a felicitation ceremony at the Ashoka Hotel. Of course, we will also bring you all the visuals from there. But let me see now if I can go across to Ayushman, who is at the airport. We have a little bit of difficulty trying to get in touch with Ayushman right now. We'll come back to that in just a minute. V.N. Prasad, the Secretary General of the Wrestling Federation of India, joins us this evening. Mr. Prasad, good evening to you. Thank you so much for speaking to Mirror Now. The kind of scenes that we're seeing at the airport here, are you surprised to see them as well? Because this is the kind of welcome that is normally reserved for cricketers, and it's so heartening to see, you know, this sort of grand welcome, the celebrations for our athletes.
Thank you very much. I am very happy to give a chance to join with you in this celebration. I saw the actually I am watching very beautiful celebration is going on there. Our actually players are I think they arrived just now in the Delhi airport. Those players, you know, I am the Secretary General of the Wrestling Federation. Even though now I am celebrating all the participants and the medal winners in the Tokyo Olympics. The nation is very proud of the nation. After a long time, the 40 years after the hockey got the bronze medal, and the women hockey team entered the actually come to the fourth place. And even though I am very happy to the last fourth Olympics continuously, the wrestling event got the medals. Even though this year also 7 medals, only 2 medals from the wrestling players from the Bajrang and hello.
Yes, Mr. Prasad, please go ahead.
Listen, yes, Bajrang Punia and Ravi Kumar. Actually, I'm very happy because we expected actually 4 medals, but unfortunately we got 2 medals. Actually, the 86 kg Deepak Punia. Actually, we last time we lost this. He lost the bronze medal within a few seconds.
Yeah.
Already, and even though we shocked only for the Vinesh Phogat bout. We are very sad regarding her performance.
Mr. Prasad, I want to actually deep dive a little more into the wrestling team's performance as well, because they were always in the contention for some medals. But just stay with us. Ayushman is back with us. He's at the airport in the midst of all the celebrations. Ayushman, give our viewers a sense of what's happening there.
Team to come out soon, and currently we are also waiting for the arrival. On the other side, the athletics team has reached out. On the other side is the international arrival, Aarti, where the celebration is currently going on. But this is the side where the players are expected to arrive, and we are expecting the arrival of the athletics in a short while from now.
Okay, we're having some network difficulty. I apologize to our viewers. As you can imagine, there are huge crowds there, so there's a bit of a transmission problem in bringing you those live visuals. But what we can tell you is the athletes have touched down, and in a short while from now, they are going to be exiting from the airport, where a hero's welcome, of course, awaits them. Mr. Prasad, how important is India's performance in this Olympics, not just for the individual athletes or for their sports, but overall in terms of India's sporting culture and India's...
Yes, that's why I already told you. Actually, this year 7 medal. India improved from last. Actually, last Rio. Actually, we got the only 2 medals. Before 6 medals. Now improved the 7 medal. Even though we got the gold medal, that's not a simple thing. The first time the athletics actually the gold medal we got the gold medal through Dheeraj Chopra. This is not a simple thing. We celebrate because this is a very important message in the Olympic podium from India.
Yes, Mr. Prasad, the visuals that we are seeing right now, just for our viewers also, the visuals that we are seeing right now are live visuals coming in from the Delhi airport where several players are exiting the airport. The picture quality is a little hazy. We have some pixelated visuals coming in here because there are plenty of jammers actually that are there. There are also a huge crowd of people. So we are having some transmission difficulty with that, but the players are slowly exiting. You can also see a huge contingent, not just of media persons, but also security personnel who are there for crowd control also, and as well as, of course, security for the players. We will try and keep getting you those visuals. Ayushman, if you can hear me, just give us a sense of what's happening there.
Well, Aarti, we saw those players coming out here, but again they went back, and we are currently being told that after some time they will be again coming out. The athletics team has already reached here, and in any moment from now, Aarti, they can come out, and that's why we are waiting for the a grand welcome awaits them here at the Indira Gandhi International Airport. The athletics team has already reached here, and we are awaiting their arrival. In fact, few of the players had also, in fact, Aarti, we saw them coming out and then they went back. Not to mention that we are all awaiting for the arrival of the golden man with the golden arm, Neeraj Chopra also, Aarti. So it is expected that in some moments from now, we can expect the arrival of the team. So currently, clarity still has to be there as to when they are going to come out. But yes, the athletics team is here and they are going to be coming out in some moments from now.
Yeah, Ayushman, I understand that there is some transmission difficulty, but perhaps if you can request your camera person to just pan across and show us some of those visuals that are there at a distance.
Yes, Aarti. In fact, my camera person Najaz can show you what is happening here. This is the main exit gate, and this is the gate where we were expecting the athletics team to come out here, and they were, in fact, we were told that they will be coming out from here only, but there is a change in plan, and the team is currently the media is currently waiting, and the teams haven't yet come out, Aarti, and we are waiting as to when the team will come out. What we can currently tell you that we have been told that in a short while from now they will be coming out.
Yeah, okay, we'll try and come back to Ayushman. We'll also try and get you more shots from the airport. A huge crowd there, a celebratory feeling there. It's almost festive. You can see a lot of a band. There were some musicians. There was dhol being played. A lot of youngsters also, which is heartening to see. Mr. Prasad, do you think India's performance here will, encourage youngsters to take up the sport? We always ask, why is it that we're not getting enough medals? Is it the facilities? But it is also the absence of a general sporting culture in India, isn't it?
It's absolutely right. Yeah, actually, the last 4 years, the Indian players are prepared very well. Unfortunately, in between the pandemic, COVID maybe affected. That is not in India, all over world. Even though that is only the little town performances all over the world, I think so. I saw all the major competitions. It's my point of view. This celebration is actually one of the good movement for the youngsters coming into the sports field. Even though we know very well about we are recently the Wrestling Federation under 17 team got the world championship recently in Hungary. That is a good message for the second preparation team is coming up.
Okay, Mr. Prasad, stay with us. I want to try and go back to Ayushman. Ayushman, over to you.
Well, yes, Aarti. In fact, we'll try and connect to all those players. If you see, sir, how would you react to the arrival?
अरे यार सार्थक आगे चली जाइए आगे से
Well, Aarti, we are trying to speak to the players who have come out here or their coaches. How do you feel? How does it feel?
बहुत खुश है बहुत खुश है
बहुत खुश है।
बहुत खुश है
अच्छा।
थैंक यू
किस तरीके सर जिस तरीके से यहाँ पर इंडिया ने परफॉर्म किया है, कैसे देखते हैं?
हमारे लिए एक नई ओपनिंग शुरू हुई है
हाँ।
हम विश्व स्तर में बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं ये
Well, Aarti will try and keep speaking to all those players who are coming out here. एक बहुत अच्छा ओलंपिक रहा. How do you see the welcome that is being given?
it is a very big crowd we proud of the nation we did
Athletic team, Aarti, which has come here, and all these players who had been there in Tokyo have started to arrive here, and you can see all these players who are currently waiting out here. Well, there is those players are currently going for boarding on the buses, which will take them to the then you can see
Okay, we apologize for that. As you can imagine, a sea of people at the airport, so there is some network difficulty. We'll try and get you live visuals as and when they come. These are the latest shots from the airport. As you can see, the entire contingent, they're leaving the airport. Also on the right, of course, is the golden boy who's we're all eagerly awaiting for. You can see the players descending from the escalators, and hopefully we'll try and get you some more pictures of them as they leave the airport. A few of them have already come out, and you know it's a stream of them, and we'll try and get you visuals of them. These are the latest shots that we are getting from the airport. This is from ANI. You can see a stream of them coming out. Unfortunately, we can't really identify who they are because there is such chaos at the Delhi airport. But you can see the team making its way out now. There is going to be a felicitation ceremony for them. It was initially at 6:30 p.m., but we are told that felicitation ceremony has now been pushed to 7:45 p.m., which is going to be at the Ashoka Hotel. The sports minister will be felicitating the athletes. We're also getting information that the Prime Minister might address them via a VC. We're still awaiting confirmation on this, but at 7:45, all these athletes are going to be felicitated by the sports minister. Mr. V.N. Prasud of the Wrestling Federation of India is still with us. Mr. Prasud, how do we build on these successes? It's been a remarkable performance, no doubt, but in another 3 years, we're looking at another Olympics, one which we perhaps want to better our performance. So how do we really build on these successes from here on?
Really, no doubt, coming to 2024 Olympics, India will get more medals. No doubt, no doubt. We are actually now we are also ready for the second phase is also ready for participating in the next Olympics. Only 3 years left. We can. I hope. No doubt, India get more medals. More 2-digit number maybe will come to next Olympics.
Well, that's something that we all certainly hope for, Mr. Prasud. You have actually echoed what the entire nation is hoping for. But we were talking about wrestling and how the performance of our contingent has been. Overall, you did mention Vinesh Phogat briefly, a medal hopeful, but unfortunately crashing out a bit early. But as far as, Bajrang Punia is concerned, he's done the country proud. And the other Punia, Deepak Punia, slightly unfortunate, of course, in that bronze bout.
Yeah, really, Deepak Punia, actually last few seconds he lost his medal. Otherwise, this is the first time Deepak Punia participating in the Olympics. You know, he is the last year under 20 world champion, and he participated in the world championship and got the silver medal. That's why he qualified for this Olympics. Anyway, we hope the next Olympic Deepak Punia 100% will get the medal, no doubt. Even Bajrang Punia also the last bronze medal bout is very, very fantastic bout. He did the fantastic bout, no doubt. The full performance we show that we saw that the particular bout.
And the good thing, Mr. Prasad, is that they're all youngsters. They still have many years ahead of them, especially somebody like a Neeraj Chopra, who's just 23, Aditya Ashok, who's again just 23, and they're all well fit and fine and raring to go for the next Olympics. Maybe they have another Olympics in them even after that.
No doubt, all the youngsters have done very well performance in the Tokyo Olympics. Yeah, we are expecting the youngsters for the next Olympics also. There's no doubt.
Well, Mr. Prasad, thank you so much for speaking to Mirror. Now, we're going to slip into a short break and come back on the other side. We'll try and continue to get you visuals from the Delhi airport, where we've seen a steady trickle of athletes exiting the airport. We'll try and get in a word with some of them. So stay tuned.